Hi, I'm Marissa Martinez and welcome to Kahome Bees channel. I want to take this moment with you to share why I really started this channel. Alam mo, I've been an entrepreneur for how many years? I've been through ups and downs, and honestly, being a small business owner is not really easy. And that's why I created this channel. This is not being pabida or claiming to be expert. I'm not a motivational guru. I am here as someone who is in the trenches, still learning, still growing, still figuring things out. I wanted to create a space where I can share my real life story, real life experiences, the struggles, the mistakes, the lessons. Kasi maraming bagay ang mga hindi na pag-uusapan openly, lalo na kapag ikaw ay nasa mundo ng pagninegosyo. Or ikaw lang yung nagninegosyo sa pamilya mo or sa circle mo. Kasi madalas, mag-isa ka. Through this channel, I want to speak honestly about the journey, about the hardships. Kasi malaking bagay yung malaman mo na hindi ka talaga nag-iisa. Hindi ito sa paghabol ng mga viral videos or big views. Well, kung mangyari man, thank you, di ba? Pero talaga ang priority ko is to reach the right people. Yung mga taong makaka-relate, at yung mga taong kailangang makarinig nito. I want this channel to be my voice, our voice, and a legacy. One way ko rin ito para ma-express ang aking sarili. Being an entrepreneur is really isolating and draining. And sometimes, we need an outlet. And I hope through these videos, somehow, I get to open up, be myself, accept the imperfections, and all. At first, I thought baka motivation lang to. Pero hindi pala yun yung gusto ko. What I really want is for you, if you're watching this, is to really face your own struggles, to take action, to learn, and to move forward even if you are imperfect now. Because I believe we are all more than enough. We can start wherever we are, whatever our situation, and as long as we take action. So that's why I created Kahome Bees channel, not just to inspire but to move, to help even one person out there to feel less alone in this tough but fulfilling journey of entrepreneurship. Salamat for being here, and if my stories resonates with you, sana makasama kita sa iba kong videos.